They should be fine. Really good. Okay, let's flip you over. It's a common tension area for 100% of the cheer team. Right here. Okay, give me a breath in. Back out. Good job. Come around here. Okay, let's go. Big breath again. Good job. Hips a little high on the right, so let's go on your side.
I can feel that one.
Okay, breath in. And out. Good job. One more.
A little longer. Good job. Leave your breath out. It's all good. Right there. Good job. Leave your breath out. One more. Good. That big one got most all. Let's see what else we got.
That felt good.
Is that all right?
So we're gonna put this under Emily's occiput and under her mandible. Just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah.
my
We
gosh.
should put a decibel meter on that one. That probably would have went up to 80 on the decibel meter. There we go. Oh yeah. Yes, ma'am. There we go. I think they were taking my P-Day conversations and making something different out of them. I'm going to educate the trolls. Legs are even now, and they stayed even. Did that hurt as much or tighten up as much? Okay. Trolls will be trolls. They're just sitting in their mom's basement all day, I guess, and watch YouTube videos. Let's turn you on your back now. See, I do my exercise all day through the day too. Let's slide up this way a little bit. Never bending over adjusting you guys all day. Yep. Good. Okay, now let's put your arms out like this. Straight out to the side. Perfect. Okay. Just relax your leg in my hand. Put your hands on your tummy. Nope, one more here. That's it. Feel that one a little bit more?
Yeah, I
Okay, let this go like a limp rag. That girl. Should have felt that one even more. Good. Okay, let's sit you up and face towards the cliff. There we go. Did you get it adjusted out in California?
do. No. That's why I came here.
There you go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, crack eggs definitely love you. You know what? Since you got your shoes off, I want to adjust your feet for you today too. There we go. Now, girl. Let's lay you on your back one more time.
Tank a lot, so I think that's what.
On the computer lot?
Yeah.
Let's go on the other back. There you go. There we go. Okay, I'm going to adjust your feet. There was your lateral tarsals. This little piggy went to market. Okay, let me gesture. There. You should have felt that in your ankle all the way up into your pelvis as well. Yep, there we go. You feel that?
Okay.
That's your lateral tarsals.
Didn't know that could crack.
Yep. Oh, if it's got a joint, I can adjust it. When I was younger, I used to smoke them, now I adjust them. Now let's sit you up here and come over here and stand in front of the mirror. Alrighty, so let me in there. One more here. That's it. Okay, good. That's a thoracolumbar adjustment that is hard to do any other way. Okay. Now let's stand you up here one more time. Okay, since you're in Houston, we're gonna shoot you again. This place you forward and backwards. Well, I don't know. I might not have to. Look at that. That looks pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
That didn't look like it hung up at all to me, did you?
So I'm going to come down also, this is from that upper thoracic, we're going to go in that mid back and then going into the upper lumbar spine area. So the right side is kind of pushing back a little bit more than the left. So we're getting a little bit of rotation like this. And now when we come into the lumbar spine, any pain over that right side?
No.
Good. Any pain over the left side?
No.
Any pain right over the center of the sacrum?
No.
Good. Okay, so no issues going on in the low back. So it's mainly between the mid back and that upper back. So we're going to come down here. We're always going to check the leg length on every patient here. So when we check the leg length, it is almost near perfect. The right leg is just a tiny bit shorter than the left. Another thing that we always do in every patient is we take a glance up the entire patient. So one thing that we're seeing is a little bit raised on the left side. So we're leaning a little bit here, but right through here, and this is going to be her main area, in the mid back here, that right side is raised up a little bit higher here. So we're going to focus right through here and then right up here. So these are going to be our main areas today. So let's go ahead and dive on in. We're going to start right up here, as I do every time, at that cervical thoracic junction. Okay. So we're going to start off on that T1 on the left. Good. Got quite a bit of movement with that one. We're going to drop down just a little bit. T2 on the right here. There we go. Got a ton of movement there. Okay. So let's go through, now we're gonna go through this upper back, that upper thoracic area. So we're gonna feel a little bit more tension like we did earlier, right on that right side, so it's still portraying the same spot. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in, and then exhale all the way out. Good. That was a ton of movement there. We're going to drop down a little bit more. Take a deep breath in. And exhale all the way out. Good. Okay. So we had that one little raised side here on the right. So we're going to address that. And then we had no issues in that lower back. Okay, good. So this right here, this is more of an L1, L2 issue. It's sitting real up high, so it's going to be a little bit different of doing an adjustment, but what I'm going to have you do, I'm going to have you lay on your side and face me. We're going to bend this top knee. Yep, just like that. Good. And we're going to have you flip to the other side. Good. Lay flat on your back for me. I want your arms out by your side. Good. And I'm going to have you put your hands over mine. Yep. Now I'm going to lean you back on me, and I want you to bring your elbows together. Okay? Did you feel that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever had that move done before?
No, not like that.
Okay, yeah. So that also helped clear everything out through here. So now So I'm going to distract out in this direction. And how would you describe that?
Oh, that was so weird. I don't know.
You
I like
felt-
wasn't expecting it.
You felt how that just pulled
Yeah.
everything apart? Now, granted, I went very light with that. How far down did you feel it?
Like here.
Okay, so roughly about this far down. So
You get the easy job. There we go. Now you notice I don't ever do that side posture adjustment on people because I feel like that creates ligamentous instability in the SI joint and the lumbosacral spine region. I know a lot of chiropractors do adjust like that, but I don't like it. I don't let chiropractors adjust me like that because it always hurts me even more, especially if you have asymmetrical facets or spondylolisthesis or herniated disc. Just breathe normal for me. There you go. Yeah, see, I knew you'd be a crack addict's favorite. Yeah. That's a girl. Okay. February day. Okay, nice and easy. Breathe. That girl.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's the most common reaction we get is OMG. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah,
Good. Okay, keep breathing.
I think I'm taller.
Yes, you are. I got you. That's a girl. Oh, yeah. I told you I was just getting